Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change icon shape in your phone Moto G04. First of all, see here the icon shape. By default, all app icons. Okay, see these are all the app icons, and their shape you are seeing here. It's square with rounded corner. Okay, suppose if you want to change this shape, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone first, and then go to display, then go to icon shape. By default, this icon shape is selected. Okay, this is icon shape selected. If you would like to change to other icon shape, select other one. This is just circled. Okay, and click on save and go to the home page and see here all icon size shape will be circled. Okay, if you would like to change to other shape, yes, again you got to go to settings page of your phone, and then go to display, then go to icon shape and select this one. Okay, or this one, or this one, or this one. Okay, I keep in this option and click on save and see the changes in the home page. See here icon shape is changed to what I have selected. Okay, suppose if you want to keep to the default icon shape, again go to the same settings, then go to display, then go to icon shape and select first one. This is default icon shape. Okay, so in this way you can easily set desired icon shape for your phone Moto G04. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.